Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. Have you ever wondered how those money market funds actually pay you interest? They are a popular spot to keep your cash safe, and often you can earn a bit more than a regular savings account. Unlike a fixed CD, their interest rates can change every day, reflecting the current short-term market conditions. To figure out what you're really earning, we look at a key metric. It's called the 7-day yield. This special yield gives you a clear snapshot of their recent performance. So, what exactly is the 7-day yield? Well, it's essentially the average income return a fund has earned over the most recent 7 days, and importantly, it's already net of any fund expenses. This specific measurement is really helpful because it's standardized, which means you can directly compare the performance of various money market funds. Keep in mind that this yield is always presented as an annualized figure, showing what you'd earn over a full year if that rate were to consistently continue. Now let's get to how you actually calculate your daily interest. It's quite straightforward. Take your current principal balance, multiply it by the fund's published 7-day yield, and then simply divide that result by 365 for the number of days in a year. For instance, if you have $10,000 invested and the yield is 5%, you'd earn approximately $1.37 each day. This small daily amount then compounds, meaning it's added right back to your principal, and your next day's interest is calculated on a slightly larger balance. While seeing your daily interest is nice, most investors are curious about their total annual earnings. To get a good estimate, you can simply multiply your average daily balance throughout the year by the fund's current 7-day yield. For example, if you consistently hold $20,000 at a 4% yield, you might expect around $800 annually. It's important to remember this calculation provides an estimate because the money market fund's yield will naturally fluctuate over 12 months. So to sum it all up, the 7-day yield is your most reliable metric for understanding how well a money market fund is performing. Don't forget that daily compounding is working in your favor, as your earned interest starts earning interest too, quietly boosting your total return over time. These funds are particularly useful for short-term savings goals, like an upcoming down payment, or as a readily accessible emergency fund, whenever liquidity is your top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.